Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Today I'll be showing you actually how you can make money on Bybit without trading cryptocurrency coin. I'm gonna going to tell you how you can use your idle USDT on Bybit and earn a lot of reward for yourself. Follow me from the beginning of this very video to the end so that by the end of this very video you will be able to understand which particular coin you're going to use or what exactly are you going to do for your idle USDT on Bybit wallet to earn you money. So without waste of time, let's dive into that. But do not forget to like this video, share, and also subscribe if you have not done that. This channel is new. Your support is highly required, and it's going to pay you. Okay, so all you just need to do is to firstly have a verified Bybit account. After having that, you're going to navigate yourself to what we call N. Okay, you either click on this more in order for you to locate N. Okay, the moment you click on this more, you're going to look for where exactly this bybit n is located. Okay, so the moment you look for this bybit n, you're going to click on that particular bybit n in order for you to participate in whatever is going on in the bybit n section. Okay, so without a waste of time, we're going to navigate to locate the bybit n, and if you locate bybit n, you're going to see SOL. Okay, you're going to see SOL. SOL is promising you to gain 10% of your capital, and this thing is going to last for when? For 50 days, and it's always flexible. I always tell you, use flexible always. Okay, so in 15 days, this will be over, and your reward will be given to you without waste of time. How many percent are you going to make? What you're going to make is 10% of whatever you invested in. If you invested 1000 USDT, that is going to earn 10% of the 1000 USDT. All right. So if you invested 100 USDT, whatever you invested, just understand that you're going to get 15 and you're going to get 10% of whatever you invested in the flexi saving for this coin called BBSOL. You can see here BBSOL. So the minimum you're going to invest here is from 1 to actually 250. You can see you cannot even invest much. Okay, from 1 to 250 USDT. You can take a look at this place. Okay, if you just come to this place, if you want to use whatever amount you want to use to invest in this particular coin to gain this 0.5% daily and 10% totally is here. You're going to put the money here, or use 250, which is the maximum you can invest. All right, so if you come to this place, you can as well click on mask total so that everything there will just go in there straight. So the moment you click on max, it means that you are going to use your whole wallet balance to invest in that particular coin without waste of time. Okay, if you look at this place, this is the remaining pool size is still over 15 billion, which is a very big pool for you to still dive in. Okay, the estimated yield time is yet to be calculated, and also the source of yield is sevens. You can say it's sevens. So all you just need to do is to navigate yourself into this particular place. After you click all this, you click on mask, you come to this place and click on invest. But before you click on the invest, you must tick in this. All right, so this is exactly what you just need to do, and wait for this exactly 10 to for this exactly 15 days in order for you to cash out what is left for you. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me from the beginning to the end. I will see you in my next class. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share. This channel actually need your support. Thank you.